Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video I'll share 5 best ways to use aloe vera gel. So this is the regular Patanjali gel which I'm using here in this video. You can also use the original leaf from the plant, or you can use any aloe vera gel from your choice. This is the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. There are many benefits of the aloe vera gel. It adds moisture to your skin, slows the signs of aging, also removes the dark spots. It relieves from skin irritation and also moisturizes your skin. It also soothes sunburn. So this is the original leaf. You can use in place of the Patanjali aloe vera gel or any other market aloe vera gel. You can use this original leaf from the plant also by taking out the gel. First way to use is by using it as a form of natural skin toner. So here I'm using this small spray bottle. You can use any bottle of your choice, and I'm adding little bit of aloe vera gel in this bottle. Since this bottle is small, so I'm using very little, but you can make according to the size of the bottle and you can keep it in bulk. Now I'm adding the rose water. You can use double rose water also, and mix it very well. Spray this toner on your face in the morning after washing your face, or whenever you are applying your moisturizer or any cream on your face. Before that you can spray this toner. So it's just a quick demo, and you will see your skin will start getting very nourished, and also even skin tone you will get by using this skin toner. It's natural and it is very easy to prepare, so you can prepare this and store this in the refrigerator. Second way to use this is as a moisturizer or homemade primer. So for a moisturizer you can use this just without adding anything on your skin, and then you will see a huge difference on your skin by using this on regular basis. And for the primer you can just add a little bit of this aloe vera gel, or even for the dry skin you can just add a little bit of this vitamin E capsule, maybe one vitamin E capsule. Mix it very well. The quantity I'm taking it very less, so I have added only one vitamin E capsule. If you make it in a bulk quantity you can add more, 4 to 5 capsules also. So this is a very good primer as well. For applying your makeup you can use this. Third way to use this aloe vera gel is for removing acne and pimples. So for that I'm just taking very little lemon juice, maybe half a spoon, and make it fresh every time. Add a little aloe vera gel to this lemon juice, and then apply this mixture on your acne prone skin or wherever you are getting pimples, and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Don't apply this on your entire face, just apply this on only that affected area of pimples. Fourth way to use this in a way of a homemade face scrub. For that I'm taking sugar and this aloe vera gel. Just take little aloe vera gel in any container, and you can add half spoon of sugar to it. This is the natural sugar which we get from our kitchen, and then add little honey to it. Mix it very well, and then apply this scrub on your face or on your hands, and just rub it gently until this sugar dissolves in the skin. This is a very good homemade scrub, and it can be prepared very easily with all natural ingredients. So you can apply this once in a week, and you will see that the dead cells and the dead skin are removed from your skin. Fifth way to use this aloe vera gel is in the way of the face pack. For this I'm just taking 1 spoon of multani mitti. You can use any other face pack also. Just add little aloe vera gel to it and little rose water to make a good thick paste, and then apply this on your face and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe until it is dried well, and then wash it off with normal water. This face pack is very good for summers, because in summers our skin gets very oily, and with this face pack our skin will get very nourished. And also you can apply aloe vera gel after using this face pack. So these were some ways to use aloe vera gel on regular basis on your skin. This is very natural, because here with this aloe vera gel we are making a scrub, a toner, a moisturizer, a makeup primer, and also for the acne pimple treatment. I hope you like the video. If you like it, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and family also, so that it can be a help for them also. And do try this and let me know your views in the comment section. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and thank you so much for watching. Keep watching Blogging Desi.